In today's video, I am going to teach you how to type fraction 1/2 in Excel. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and click on the cell where you want the fraction to appear. This is important because Excel will place the symbol into whichever cell is currently selected. Taking a moment to choose the correct cell first will help you avoid moving or re-entering it later. Once the cell is selected, look up to the top menu bar in Excel. This is where you will find the main tabs used to insert different types of content and formatting. From there, click on the Insert tab. This tab gives you access to tools for adding items that are not typed in the usual way, including special characters and symbols. After you open the Insert tab, move your attention to the far right side of the ribbon. In that area, you will see the Symbols button. Click on it to open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Symbol. This will open the Symbol pop-up window, which lets you browse characters that are not available directly from your keyboard. Inside the Symbol window, look toward the top right area for the Subset drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to choose a different character group. Then scroll down through the list and select Latin 1 Supplement. This category includes several commonly used special characters, including the 1/2 fraction symbol. Now look through the character grid in the window until you see the 1/2 symbol. Once you find it, click on the symbol to highlight it. Then click the Insert button at the bottom of the window. Excel will place the fraction symbol into the cell you selected earlier. When the symbol has been inserted, click Close to exit the symbol window. At this point, the 1/2 fraction should be visible in your worksheet. This method is useful when you want the fraction to appear exactly as a symbol instead of typing numbers and formatting them manually. It is also a helpful option when you need your spreadsheet to look neat and easy to read. That covers everything you need to know.